This is step-by-step how I replace an existing garage door opener with a brand spanking new Chamberlain smart garage door opener. We've got a lot to cover, so let's get right into it. I'm showing you the unboxing here so you can see how your garage door opener will look out of the box.
Belt drive. Open.
Now step one is assemble the rail and install the trolley. The piece with the rectangular opening goes at the far side by the garage door. That's going to be where your pulley is for your belt. Now, when you put the trolley on the rail, you want to put a screwdriver on there to keep the trolley from riding along towards the garage door end of the rail. Put the trolley on the rail as well, and then put the U-bracket on there. Step two, you want to fasten the rail to your motor. You'll want to install the cover protection bolt, and then you want to remove the two bolts that are on top of the motor and mount the U-bracket to the top of the motor. Now step three, we're going to install the idler pulley. We're going to lay the belt beside the rail. We're going to mount the pulley as shown.
Chamberlain offers a 10-year or...
Bend the rail tab 90 degrees using a flat screwdriver. Now step four, we're going to install the belt. So we're going to thread the pulley so the ribbed side faces the pulley. We're going to hook the belt onto the trolley connector, as you see here. Remove the spring nut from the bolt. Then we're going to attach the spring bolt to the belt using the master link. We're going to insert the spring bolt through the hole in the trolley. Step five, we're going to tighten the belt. By hand, thread the spring nut onto the bolt. Using a flathead screwdriver, rotate the spring collar 1/4 turn to release the collar. You'll see it snap into position. Keep your skin free from it when it snaps. Now adjust the tension on the pulley, taking up the slack. Now step six, we're going to install the sprocket cover by removing the three bolts from the top of the motor and replacing those bolts, mounting the sprocket cover. Now, as I said, this is a replacement for an existing garage door opener, and fortunately for me, it was a Chamberlain garage door opener, so a lot of the hardware, a lot of the holes line up. You'll need to install a mounting plate over the garage door and hanging straps coming down for the motor if this is a fresh install. Now, step one of the garage door opener installation is install the header bracket. Be sure the up is facing up. Now step two is attach the rail to the header bracket. You'll need to rest the motor on a chair, ladder, or box. Line up the rail to the header bracket and thread the pin, securing it with the ring that's included.
Okay, and it's not coming.
Now step three is position the garage door opener. Now step four is hang the garage door opener. You may need some help lifting the motor up into position, attaching it to the straps. Step five is attach the trolley release rope and release the trolley. Step six is mount the door bracket to the garage door. Make sure up is facing up. Step seven is connect the door arm to the trolley. You need to assemble the door arm and attach it to the door bracket and to the trolley using the pins and the rings included.
Nice.
Take two. Step 8 is in mount the door control. Wire the red wire to the red and white to the white. As I mentioned, this was a replacement install, so the red goes to red and the black goes to white. Step 9, connect the door control leads to the motor. Wire the red to the red and the white to the white. Now step 10 is install the door safety sensors. Now as I mentioned earlier, this was not a new install, this was an existing install, so we just used the existing sensors. We didn't have access to run new wiring, so we just used the existing sensors and used their wiring. Then connect the leads to the motor, white to white and black to black, or gray to gray. Step 11 is connect the power. Most times the builder will have installed an outlet above the garage door opener. Step 12, adjust the garage door open and close. You'll press and hold the adjustment button until the up arrow begins to flash. You'll press and hold the up arrow until the garage door is open to the desired position. I set it so the frame of the garage door lines up with the threshold. Now press and release the adjustment button. Press and hold the down arrow until the garage door is closed, not too far. Press and release the adjustment button. Your garage door will cycle through the open and close. If the open and close positions are not correct, repeat the process. Step 13, test your remote. The remote that came with your garage door opener will have the one button programmed for that garage door opener. If you need to program that opener to work with a second garage door opener, on the wall mounted control, press the learn button twice and press the number 2 button on the remote. So there, you're all done. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. If you liked what you saw, be sure to subscribe to Field Guided DIY and also click the image on your screen now to see the next video. I'll see you in the next video.